Okay, students, please take out your English language reader. Lesson 9, Comparison. Let's get started. Read the sentences and circle the words which end in ER. Okay, we have to read the sentences and we have to circle the words that come in ER. My friend has a new school bag. Anyway, can you see a ER? No. It is newer than my school bag. It is compared now again here. I explained you ER. Can you see over here, children? Newer, ER. Okay, it's again comparing the bags. It is newer than my school bag. Next, I have a new cricket bat. You haven't to circle anything over here. Next, it is stronger than his cricket bat. Again, it is compared. The cricket bat is compared. So here again, ER, you have to circle it. Wherever ER is there, you have to circle it. It is comparing. Next line, my friend is taller than me, but I am faster than him. Again, it is comparing. Taller and faster. It's again comparing over here. ER. So you have to circle taller and you have to circle faster. It's again comparing. Our classroom is brighter than their classroom. Again, it is comparing the classrooms. Brighter. So again, we will circle here over here brighter. Is that clear? Now, in this passage, you must have noticed we are circling all the words that are ending in ER, where they are comparing. I had already explained you. Is that clear in the explanation part? I have explained you what is comparison. Okay, the word ER. Can you see over here ER? All these words are circled because they are all comparing something or the other. Clear? In this sentence, the school bag is compared. In here, the cricket bat is compared. Here, my friend is taller than me but faster. Here, two things are being compared, taller and faster. Here, classroom is being compared. Here, brighter it is. Okay? Moving on. Each of the words you circled are describing words. Now, these that are all circled are all describing. They are describing about certain things. Okay? They compare two naming words. They are comparing what things, children? Two naming words they are comparing. Okay, and it is describing something. Okay, now look at these sentences. Now we look at the following sentences. He is taller than his brother. It's compared here now that he is taller than his brother. Again, you can see the word ER. A tortoise is slower than a hare. It's again comparing a tortoise and a hare. Slower. Vikas is smarter than his brother. Again, it is comparing between Vikas and his brother. Smarter. Okay. This door is stronger than that one. Again, it is comparing the two doors. ER. The words in bold are describing words. Can you see? Taller is describing, slower is describing, smarter is describing, stronger is describing words that compare two people or thing. It's comparing here, like I explained you previously, between you and your brother or you and your sister. Clear? Now you have to remember this thing, children. Describing words can show comparison. Describing words can show comparison between you and your brother, you and your sister, tortoise and the hare. Clear? We add ER at the end of a describing word. What are we adding? ER at the end of a describing word. And then to show comparison between two people or thing. And here can you see than used? We are using than to show the comparison between two people or things. Is that clear? That's all for today. I request you all to go through the chapter thoroughly. Is that clear? Thank you. Have a good day.